Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is 13 days of Halloween inspiration. In this one, I'm going to show you this mini album that I've made, and it's from a couple of different collections. The cover has this page, which I think came from Joanne's paper I've had in my stash for a while, and it really is black and white, but I took a alcohol marker in different shades of purple and blue and colored it. It's mostly purple. I know it looks blue on the camera, but it's really purple. This is definitely purple, and it is a paper that I've had in my stash for a while. I can't tell you where I got it, but I found that you could use fabric and it does the same thing. And this is definitely a purple taupey kind of color. And this Happy Halloween was actually a stamp that I have in my stash. The little spider with the gem I've had in my stash for a while as well. Inside, it opens up to a shaker. And I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see the spider web on the shaker. I've had these spiders, I don't know how long I've had them, but they keep going and going. You know, I just got a small pack of them, and there are so many in it. No matter how much I use it, I still have some. But you still can use this to put a photo on. You could stick a photo right there in the front and still have the shaker going on all along underneath your picture. This paper was an old Recollections paper pad, and boy, I love their old paper. Sort of creepy. You know, it's just creepy. Now, in the pockets of this mini album, I just put these smaller photo mats. Well, they're 6.5 by 4.5, so you still could put a 4 by 6 photo on there, and that will fit perfectly inside the pocket. I just wanted to do something a little different than my normal pocket pages that I have. This is a swing tab that I've made, and this opens up and room for your photos there. And there is that. See, this is the black and white paper, but I had colored it for the cover. This is from Recollections paper collection. I assume it's from the same one, but not necessarily. And that opens like that, and there is your hidden photo mat. Again, love the paper. And I realize that the albums I've made in years past are pretty simple, but mostly because a lot of times the picture does it justice. If you put a photo on this page and put a little journaling, that's all you need. You don't need flowers and all sorts of things. You know, I mean, that photo would look great on there. There is your photo mat. And here we go. Lots of room for your photos. So a mini album can be very simple. And once you put the pictures in, I mean, wow, it just makes it'll make everybody on the page pop out. All right, here's my baddie page. That'll open like that. And there we go. And that is my Happy Halloween. I love this page. I mean, if you don't like spiders, this will probably give you the creeps. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.